Hey guys, so a lot of people are having this issue and they're wondering how to stop YouTube TV from asking who is actually watching. Now, this person has a new TV and it keeps asking them the same thing, and there's only one account, and it was actually very easily solved. So, there's no option like that, and when it prompts you to choose a user, there'll actually be a line to a configuration page, okay, that actually allows you to disable that pop up. So they just need to go ahead and click on that line to go to the configuration page. As you can see, it also has upvotes. That is what you need to go ahead and do. Don't go ahead and click on settings on the profile pictures. Go and click on that line, go to the configuration page, and disable that pop-up entirely. Okay? So I hope that you find this guide helpful, and if you did, consider smashing that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.